Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking 100-Year-Old Recipes. In this episode, I am making dressing Swedish style. And the Swedish style is that there is an addition of raisins and walnuts. I think that's going to make for a tasty and interesting textured stuffing, although I will be cooking it as dressing because I'm not stuffing anything today. Let's go in the kitchen and see how we do. So you see the ingredients are very simple. It's breadcrumbs, I have raisins soaking in warm water so they're nice and plump, walnuts, butter, and sage. I'm going to combine the sage and some salt and pepper first. Get that mixed into the actual breadcrumbs before I add in other things because they'll cling best there. And there's no onion in this, no celery. It's just a simple mixture of fruit, nuts, and bread. The nuts and raisins are equal proportion. And you'll notice that in the recipe written below in the description. Mix it all together. And then the butter. 2/3 of a cup in proportion to 2 cups of breadcrumbs. That is, to me, seems excessive, but I'm following these recipes in these books. I'm not making any changes. And keep in mind, this is designed to go inside of a turkey, probably a small turkey. That actually puzzles me even more because inside a bird, the fat that comes off of the bird when it's cooking would go into the stuffing. Or maybe some of the butter cooks out and bastes the bird, in theory. It's a lot of butter. So now I'm tasting to check the salt and pepper, and it needs a little more sage. I added some more. The recipe does not specify the amount, which is common in this book. Sometimes there are measurements, sometimes there are not, and that's where I have to read between the lines. I'm serving this with the French style spinach in another video, so you're going to see them served together. And I'm going to bake it in my air fryer in the little individual crocks, since again I'm not stuffing anything. And this makes enough to fill 2 crocks. Remember, that's 1/3 of a cup of butter per crock. It's a tremendous amount. And since it's not going in a bird, I'm going to do the drizzle with chicken stock method that we do with dressing that we bake in a pan. And then it's done. It took about 10 minutes in the air fryer. And I was right, it's oily. It's very tasty, the texture's wonderful, but there's just too much butter. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you try it, let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.